Preston. Hi, baby boy. Too much light in here. Preston. Preston, come here. Preston. Where you at? There you are. Hi, brother boy. Preston. Preston. Hey. Preston, look. Preston. Preston, come here. Preston, come here. Preston, come here. Come here. Come here. Look at that terrible looking TV over there I gotta throw away. Tell the folks that I have to throw away that TV. Preston, I want to see your butt. Come here. Hug that bye-bye. Preston. Preston. Say, guys, look at my messy office. Preston. What are you doing? Preston. Quit pacing, would you? Come here. Lay down. Show them how you do your tricks, huh? Preston, buddy. Preston, buddy. Come here. Say, show my belly. I like my belly being scratched. Preston. Come here. Come here. Preston. Where's Miss Cody? Is Miss Cody under my desk? Is Miss Cody under my desk? Hi there, baby girl. You're laying on my keyboard wire, Miss Thing. Hi there, baby girl. Hi there, baby girl. Where are you going? Stretch. See, Bam's got a really messy office. Bam's has a really messy office, tell them all. See, Mama doesn't clean very well. No. What are you doing? Cody girl. Cody girl. Cody. Cody. What are you doing? Oh, you guys are so lazy. You guys are so lazy. Yes. Preston. What are you doing over there? What are you doing over there? What are you doing? Preston. How about the boy? Say hi, Miss Cody. Hi, Preston. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? You're not showing everybody your tricks. See, I do tricks for Joan when she comes over. I roll over, play dead, show my belly, beg, play fetch. You don't want to do that with us. No. It's my beautiful tail. Preston. Hi, baby boy. What are you doing? Preston. Hey. Preston. What are you doing? Go see what Miss Cody's doing. She's just laying there being boring. I need to get me a dog. At least they're interesting, huh? What do you say? What do you say, Cody? So you turn this video camera off.